Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to do a braised fish dish, okay? I'm using black pomfret today. Actually, it's my first time using black pomfret. One thing I learned just now, when I cut my black pomfret into cutlets like this, it can spoil the meat quite easily. So next time I have to be more careful. So I'm going to fry the fish first, then only I will stir fry with the rest of the ingredient. I marinated the fish with a little bit of salt, cornstarch, and also the pepper. Then let's take a look at the rest of the ingredient here. So I have 1 teaspoon of salted black bean minced, 1 teaspoon of tauchu, fermented soya bean. Then this is some minced garlic and ginger, coriander roots, some spring onion, the white portion, and some big chili, and some small dices of chili padi. So these are the condiments I'll be using: some light soya sauce, fish sauce, dark soya sauce, Shaoxing wine, my cooking apple chicken stock powder, white pepper, salt and sugar. First of all, prepare a deeper pan or a wok and put in a bit of oil here. I'm going to do shallow fry. So, we want to raise the heat until you start seeing smoke coming out from the oil itself, meaning smoking point. If not, your fish can actually get stick to the wok quite easily. All right, I've started to see some smoke coming up. Let me put in the fish. You know, even when you are using stainless, non-stick wok, if you don't do this correctly, your fish can still stick. So once you put it into the oil, let it pan fry for at least 1 to 2 minutes before you flip it to the next side. So this is after the first 2 minutes. Good, it doesn't stick. Let me flip it over. When I say it doesn't stick, I'm referring to the wok or the pan, yeah? You can stick to each other quite easily. Yeah? So one thing for sure, black pomfret is a fish that will break out easily. It's not so suitable for making stir frying. So in order for you to use it for stir frying, you do have to deep fry it first, okay? So this is after like about 5 minutes. Some of it is good enough. I'm going to take it out, especially the thinner pieces, ready to be used. Let's get ready a wok. Let me give it a little bit of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in all the fresh herbs, garlic, ginger, coriander roots, salted black bean, fermented soya bean, part of the white portion of the spring onion, and a bit of the chili first. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Right, this is after like 1 minute plus. Super fragrant right now from all these fresh ingredients. Let me give it some hot water. A bit of Shaoxing wine. A bit of light soya sauce. A little bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. I'll still give it a little bit of salt, maybe. Just a little bit. But I do need to balance it. Oh, tune down to lowest fire, by the way. Whenever you are adding in seasoning, always tune down to lowest fire. That's a very good habit. Give it a bit of sugar, a bit of my cooking apple chicken stock powder, a few dashes of white pepper, the dark color, which is the dark soya sauce. All right. Now you can raise the heat. Oh, You can put in a bit of cornstarch if you like. You decide. Right, now I'm going to put in the rest of the chili, spring onion, and the chili padi, and the fish, which is already cooked and deep fried. I'm just going to give it a few stir, and it is ready to be served. Let me give you a little bit of cornstarch, starch solution. Off the fire first. Right. Starch solution. Final stir. And this is ready to be served. Sometimes the restaurant will use, I think, shark meat for this dish. Right, so here's Appa, very simple fish, braised fish, yeah, 红烧鱼 dish. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.